How you been, everyone? How you been? How you been dealing with this weather? Finally got some sunshine. We're nearly at Midsummer's Day. Crazy, but yeah. Let us know in the comment section below how you are, how you getting on, what projects you on. Right then, welcome back. And this week we have been installing some Lewis concrete slabs. Now I haven't done these for a while. Really actually enjoyed laying them. Really nice slab to lay. A little bit different. You obviously don't. Well, I don't SBR the back or slurry prime the back. Does anyone else do that on concrete slabs? Comment below in the comment section. Let us know how you do things differently. But yeah, nice little job. I was going to lay the slabs on bricks for the steps, and then customer wanted something a little bit more with a little bit more shape to it. So we they chose the blocks themselves. They just went for like a Brett Silverhaze Alpha 120 by 100 block, and yeah, that created our shapes for the steps. But yeah, nice little job. Got a couple of days left to finish on the step because I had to help out Jake on the grouting one. Check out the video here or here, whichever way it is. But yeah, nice little job. Concrete slabs. What do you like to lay? Do you like laying concrete, porcelain, sandstone, limestone? Let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Peace!